I saunter down to breakfast, thinking all is right with the world, and I get...
Son, we need to talk. You're the pride of Bergson, and I couldn't be prouder.
Aw, thanks, Dad. I'm pretty impressed with myself, too.
When have I ever done that with my hands?
You just did.
Okay, just hold still. It's very serious. You're all grown up, and since no chief could ask for a better successor, I've decided...
To make you chief. Oh, my God. What an honor. I'd be pretty excited.